Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get in a solo session in GTA 5, and make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So first let's stop right here. Michael, stop, yeah, right here. So how to get in a solo session? Just click escape on your keyboard like this, and yeah, it appears the map. So we don't need a map. Just click here on online, and yeah, just click now on play GTA online, this. Double click it actually, and now as you can see here it appears this option to solo session. So just double click it again, and now GTA asks you, are you sure you want to quit GTA Grand Theft Auto 5? All unsafe progress will be lost. So first, I forgot to tell you, you must be in a story mode and then to go in the online session. And yeah, be sure your progress is saved, because as I said, maybe if there's unsafe progress, maybe it will be lost. So click OK, and now you're going in the solo session. Wait a few seconds until it's loading. And yeah, now I'm here. I think this is my house. Yeah, so I hope it's working. I'm hoping, yeah. And now as you can see, when you press Z, now you're alone in a solo session. So that was how to get in a solo session in GTA 5. Now as you can see, it's working. It's not some hack virus, I don't know what. You don't need to download some software or something to get in a solo session. It's legal from, actually the GTA affords you that option. So yeah, if I helped you out, make sure to give a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comment down below the video, and in a few days I will try to respond if you have some. Yep, see you on next video. Bye.